It's like when you fall in love with somebody, sometimes you don't even need to say. You just sit there and you can feel. And I think that is some emotional advantage.
Victor Hugo, who used this word, to love is to act, I don't feel, if I've got him right, that he was talking about us acting in a way that has any pretense. He was actually talking about us doing something in the present tense and just doing something, and it doesn't have to be right, and it's fine if it's wrong.
That pain and that feeling of loss when we talk about connection is what has led me to build so many positive connections with so many other people.
Those wounds, right, they don't disappear, but they actually are like doorways to connections. They are the things that mean that the vulnerability is something that we can really share, and means that there's a lot less that separates us than we can realise without those wounds. So they're real gifts. They're like a beautiful thing to be brave enough to share.
We think we know what it's like to recover, and we don't. The only thing we know about is how to treat things. That's it. We don't know how it is, what it means to recover, go on from there. The only people who do know what it's like to recover from something, or to recover from an injury or an illness, is someone who's been through it.
If you've never been through that yourself, you never know how it felt. However much knowledge you gain from books or from study, but it will never be the same as you've been through yourself.
Having parents' voices at the heart of the child protection system is so critical. It's one of the greatest, deepest powers the state has to intervene in the lives of families, and how that's done, whether that's done with compassion, listening, working alongside people, is the difference between causing deep harm or it being a process that really changes people's lives and keeps children safe. And I think that our experience in Camden has been one where we opened up to parents and had really hard conversations, and I think brave conversations, and listened deeply. We learned that there were things that we thought that were helping people that were actually causing harm.
So it's a very emotional, difficult time for parents, and have that person next to them who's clearly on their side, who has been through it and come through the other side and is clearly flourishing, well, that shows them a bit of hope. They can see that someone else has come through the other side and managed to be doing an important job.
Not just on an individual level that peer advocacy programs have benefit. They have benefit about much more broader system change when the experiences and voices of parents and others with lived experience are heard in different arenas in all child protection organisations.
If you see someone struggling, really struggling, instead of helping them, ask them to help you. By asking them to help me, I'm conveying several things. That they're trusted, they're valued, they have something to offer, that maybe I'm a bit shit actually sometimes too, that I'm not perfect, the world's not perfect. You convey so much by doing that.
And seeing that the kind of imagination of families and communities is always greater than it will be of just us as a council alone. So I think it's a really powerful force that has to sit at the heart of the future of social work.